With today's advanced in technology, after lengthy studies using medical research FDA-approved laboratory environment, it was possible to stimulate our body metabolism with natural ingredients to achieve the desired weight without feeling of depressed and hunger. A careful selection of natural stimulants to boost thermogenic condition of our body metabolism in order to burn unwanted fat and calories have been produced. Satisfactory results obtained after years of effort and research to bring a milestone to tackle pandemic weight problems is finally derived. Most weight loss supplements rely on one or two ingredients and fall short of promised results. A combination of 4 areas of fat metabolism, fat binders, appetite reduction and thermogenic boosting and stimulations are believed to be the most effective way to help weight reduction quickly and effortlessly. Adafen is a super product that uses 12 different natural ingredients for the 4 targeted areas mentioned in order to bring optimum weight loss outcome fast. You will feel more fulfilling after taking the supplement as your brain receives satisfying signals longer to curb hunger and reduce calorie intake. As the stomach is empty, it forces the body to burn fat. One of the main ingredients, chitosan extract, helps to bind fat from a meal and carries them through our digest system without being absorbed. Hence, our body does not add unwanted weight. 5 essential stimulants to increase metabolic rates are bitter orange, chromium picolinate, guarana extract, ginseng panax root extract and cacao extract. Each of these natural foods have been carefully studied to increase body fat metabolism. Bitter oranges suppress appetite, dyspepsia, and is considered the best thermogenic natural substance. Chromium helps to increase insulin efficiency, which controls how much fat our body stores. After eating, our body secretes the hormone insulin, which functions to transport glucose to cells, providing energy for cell to function. Chromium picolinate aids in body's glucose and fat metabolism by stimulating the activity of insulin and breaking down glucose and fat. As our diets are generally very low in chromium during food processes, a combination of chromium and picolinic acid helps chromium to be absorbed much more effectively. Guarana is a small bean that grows in Amazon jungle. The seeds are caffeine-rich and has powerful effect to increase body's metabolic rate that suppresses appetite at the same time enhances physical and mental performance. Just like caffeine but absorbed slower, it stimulates the release of hormones epinephrine, adrenaline and dopamine from adrenal glands, which cause body to burn more stored fat. Panax ginseng is useful for managing blood sugar and helps modulate carbohydrate metabolism. It improves physical stamina, memory and concentration. Research has also shown that ginseng inhibits our cells to store energy as fat or fat storage process. Other cases also found Panax ginseng improve glycemic control in managing type 2 diabetes. Cacao extract has the properties that could inhibit carbohydrate and fat digestion, stopping the body from absorbing them. They are anti-obesity and anti-diabetic, as the research shows. 2 thermogenic ingredients in Adafen are cinnamon extract, which helps reducing insulin resistance and blood glucose levels, both of which are associated with unwanted abdominal fat, so cinnamon is useful to reduce abdominal fat. Cayenne capsicum increases blood flow in smaller restricted blood vessels found in fatty tissue. Capsicum also helps burn calories and suppress appetite by decreasing ghrelin hunger hormone in our body. Research found that capsaicin and green tea can promote the feeling of fullness and keep hunger at bay longer. Cayenne also helps to burn up to 270 extra calories a day by increasing our core temperature, an effortless burn extra fat called thermogenic burn. Other ingredients are glucomannan or canjac root as hunger reducer, chitosan extract as fat binder. 3 other fat metabolizers, vitamin B6, L-carnitine and hydrogen chloride, and ginseng root extract. Adafen is undoubtedly one of the most advanced premier weight loss product, which come with a 30 days money back guaranteed. Click link below for your order with a free bottle today.